I love exploring the jungle and water. Just looking for another sky. Skybox is the best companion for my journey. It always keeps me backed up. It is so light and small, it fits in my pocket easily. With its huge storage capacity, I never have to worry about space to store all my videos and photos. With just one click, I can copy and save all my files wherever I am. The included Skybox app is very user-friendly. It informs me of the progress of transfer. And I can view my photos and videos instantly too. It also supports wireless 4K video streaming. To make the most of my time, I often upload and edit on the go. Back at my desk, I can just plug in my Skybox as a hard drive and work directly on my files. With its unbeatable transfer speed, it only takes me seconds to transfer large files. I carry my Skybox everywhere I go, sharing wonderful moments with my friends. Skybox, backing up your memories on the go.